Adi, naiiyak ako. Dati pinapanood ko lang. Kanina natataranta ako kung anong iiyak ako, guys.
Daming tao, nakapila kami. Pero worth yan. Ng swimming yung dalawa. Parang pansol ba punta nyo? Pansol? Wow, ang ganda ng Venetian. The Venetian. Ayan na.
Ang ganda-ganda. Tapos may mga yagit. May mga yagit na sa isang yagit. Ayun, Mandi. Para mga homeless tong anak ko. Mandi, tingin mo itsura mo, baby. Ay, napakayagit. Ayan si Darling.
Nakakuha na kami ng susi. Mag-check-in na kami sa
birthday tree.
room namin dito sa The Venetian. Ayan. Ito na yung mga chikiting, mga nakapajama. Let's go!
Mandi, are you ready?
It's not working. There! Open it.
Wow!
Wait lang. It's so big.
Wow!
Ah, it's a different configuration, oh.
Wow! May anak ko. Mandi, are you happy, sweetheart?
Yes, and I want to jump up in the bed. Jump, jump, jump.
There's lights there.
Where?
Huh? It's not the typical room. It's huge. It's a big room. Large TV. Big cabinet.
Mandi, smile. 1, 2,
2 queen beds.
1, 2, 3.
Ito ang wifey. Hi! Ito ang CR. What do we have here? Oh, you have a tub. Big tub. Separate shower. Dalawang lababo.
Daddy, you did my face.
2 queen beds.
Hi guys, really back.
A living area.
Let's send it to YouTube, Daddy.
Yeah. Hi, Kuya.
Hi, let's go.
A living area. Ayan, may sofa. May desk. May dining. Another TV. Here's the view. We have the view of the pool area. We're on the 23rd floor. Ayun ang Mirage Strip area. So mamaya makikita natin yung volcano na mag-erupt. So ito yung tower ng The Venetian. So here it is. Ang laki. Ang laki niya. Ayun, si Mandy takbo ng takbo. Yun, no?
Ito nga yung Carlos, oh. Ay! Bucket list check! Bucket list check! Cake Boss! Carlos Bake Shop! Woo! Woo! Bucket list check! Hi guys, so it's 4:25 in the afternoon. Dito kami sa Venetian. Nakatambay ako sa Carlos Bakery. I've been watching this show since more than a decade na. Favorite ko talaga si Buddy. So kasama to sa bucket list ko sa dito sa US trip namin. And sana ngayon makita ko si Buddy. Naiiyak ako. Nakakain na ako ng cannoli niya. Ay, dati pinapanood ko lang. Kanina natataranta ako kung anong bibilihin kong pastries. So namili ako ng cannoli, ng bag, ng tote bag for souvenir, ng coffee. Ngayon, 10th year anniversary daw ng Buddy's V Restaurante. So, possibly darating daw si Buddy. Sana makita ko talaga. Naiiyak ako, ga. Ay! Yan na nga. Ito yung restaurant niya dito. Tapat na tapat lang ng Carlos Bake Shop. So, naiba yung panlasa ko, guys. Kasi lagi na lang akong Julie's Bake Shop. So, lagi na lang Julie's Bake Shop. So, ngayon, talagang kahit mahal siya, mahal eh. Mahal yung mga pastries nila dito sa Carlos Bake Shop eh. So, namili ako just to try the cannoli. Sarap. Sarap nung cannoli niya. Ayan, nagpe-prepare na sila for the 10th year anniversary. Sana talaga makita ko talaga si Buddy at saka yung mga kapatid niya, at saka yung mga anak niya, at saka yung asawa niya si Lisa. Ay, naku. Birthday gift mo na, Lord, please. Dream come true! It's a dream come true! Is it, sweetheart? Sarap? Talaga? It's from Carlos Bake Shop. Seasonal cupcake. Can I taste? Can I taste, sweetheart? Sarap! Sarap! In Vegas. Thank you.
See the songwriters, whether it's Ed Sheeran, John Mayer, Tracy Chapman, or many others.
Hi, Ethan. Yeah.
Nandito yan, yung water fountain. Paris, Paris. Look, Paris.
The Eiffel Tower, remember?
It's just a model. The model is a model version of that.
Lobby ng Bellagio.
Halika, labas tayo.
Yeah, the Bellagio. Wow! Ano to, troll?
Picture ko kayo dyan, come on.
rin.
Hi, Uncle. Thank you.
Salamat.
Hi, Luke. You're in Las Vegas, baby.
Fire 1. Fire 2.
I love.
Hi.
Fire 4, 5.
Enjoy? Enjoy ka ba? Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Tanajo.
Mamaya maglalaglag ng pera yan.
Waiting for the water show.
Mahamog yan, mahamog.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Hi, Uncle.
Look! Look at the roof, oh. Look at the ceiling. Yeah! You are my fire, the one desire. When I say I want it that way.